I can't believe they ghosted us. Gosh, I haven't heard from you guys in so long. I just want to know what I did. What could I have done better? Just give us one more chance. Give us another shot. Even if you chose somebody else, I just want to know that you're happy. All right, just roll the camera. I gotta say something. Hey there, if you're watching this, it's likely you reached out to us here at Dalinghaus Construction about foundation issues, but haven't taken the next step. We completely understand. Life gets busy, and sometimes things get in the way. Today, we want to talk about why you might have ghosted us and what we can do to help you move forward. Let's dive into some of the common reasons why homeowners hesitate to move forward with foundation repairs. First up, sticker shock. It's a real thing. When you first hear about the cost of foundation repairs, it can feel overwhelming. A big number can stop you in your tracks. But remember, this is an investment in your home safety and value. Foundation repair equals investment. Think about it. Ignoring these issues can lead to more expensive repairs down the line. We've helped many homeowners regain their peace of mind, and we can do the same for you. Next, maybe you feel like you don't have the funds right now. It's tough out there financially, but consider this. We offer financing options to help you get started. A small monthly payment might be easier to handle than a lump sum. It's also possible you went with another company, and that's okay. We respect your decision, but if things aren't going as planned or if you're feeling uncertain, we're here to offer a second opinion. Just because you didn't choose us initially doesn't mean we can't help you now. Maybe you're exploring other options or solutions. It's always wise to compare, but be cautious. Not all solutions are created equal. Make sure you're getting accurate information from reliable sources. We'd love to answer any questions you have about foundation repair and how we can support you. Another reason might be uncertainty about what needs to be done. Foundation issues can be complex, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed. That's why we offer free consultations. Our team can walk you through what's happening with your home and what your options are. Perhaps you're in a wait and see mode. While it's natural to hope things might fix themselves, foundation problems typically don't get better on their own. In fact, they usually worsen, leading to more costly repairs down the line. Lastly, you might be considering selling your home as is. This can be tempting, but remember, homes with foundation issues can lose significant value. Repairing it first could actually help you maximize your selling price. We understand that taking the next step can feel daunting, but you're not alone in this. Whether it's the fear of cost, uncertainty about repairs, or just life getting in the way, we're here to support you. Reach out to us today. Let's chat about your foundation issues and how we can help. You can schedule a free consultation, ask questions, or just get more information you need to make an informed decision. Thank you for spending time with us today. Remember, taking care of your foundation is taking care of your home. We hope to hear from you soon. Call us at 877-360-9227 or visit our website to schedule your free foundation evaluation today. Dalinghaus Construction, your home's foundation, our expertise.